Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, introduce myself. My name is Emalia Nurdiantika. I'm from the Faculty of Teacher Training and Education, Universitas Muhammadiyah Surakarta, Indonesia. Here I will present the result of my research with the title Utilization of Virtual Interactive Media as a Learning Innovation for Discipline Character Value of Pancasila Education Subject in Elementary School. Next. Introduction. Learning today is closely tied to technology, which is increasingly used through innovative learning media. These media are essential to support educational progress, creating dynamic learning experience for students and helping achieve learning objectives effectively. Selection of upward learning result is important for optimal learning outcomes. Pancasila education in primary school play a role in shaping students to become smart, characteristic, and nationalistic-minded citizen according to the value of Pancasila and the 1945 Constitution. Civic education not only improves knowledge but also builds character and skill with discipline as the main character. Next, discipline is key in shaping a quality personality, especially when it comes to the management and consistency. However, discipline problems are still common in primary school as the main focus of education on thinking skill. The role of teacher is very important in overcoming it, one of which is by utilizing technology, such as interactive virtual media. This media not only improve learning effectiveness but also make studying discipline more fun and relevant. Next, relevant research. Number one, Rahim Suherman and Hurtini. Analysis of teacher competence in preparing learning media based on information technology in the era of the Industrial Revolution. Number two, Prativi. The effect of school extracurricular on the disciplinary character of elementary school student educative. Number three, Ambarwati and Susanti. Literature study the role of educational innovation in digital technology-based learning. Next, research purpose. This research aims to revolve the use of virtual interactive media as a learning innovation to form discipline character value, both academic and non-academic in Pancasila education in elementary school. Next, research methods. Number one, this study involved 16 students in grade 3 of Tunggul Sari 1 Elementary School, consisting of 6 girls and 10 boys. Number two, this research discussed the use of virtual interactive media as an innovation in learning disciplinary character values, both academic and non-academic, in Pancasila education subject in grade 3 of Tunggul Sari 1 Elementary School. Number three, data were collected through interview, questionnaire, observation, and documentation. Data analysis was conducted qualitatively using the Lexi J. Moleong model, which include collection, reduction, data presentation, and conclusion drawing. Next, research process. Data collection. Interview and observation were conducted with teacher and student of grade 3 of Tugusari 1 Elementary School to assess the use of virtual media and student discipline in learning Pancasila. The results show the effect of interactive virtual on student discipline during learning. Number two, questionnaire. Questionnaire on the effectiveness of virtual media for learning, student discipline, and documentation. Number three, data reduction. Data reduction at this takes summaries, selects and focus relevant data to ensure that only important information is retained. Number four, data presentation. Data presentation in the presentation of data in the form or graph or table accompanied by narrative for systematic interpretation. Number five, drawing conclusion. The Final step of drawing conclusion based on the data collected from the file that has gone through the reduction steps. Next, result and discussion. In the study, the result and discussion are divided into two, namely the result of non-academic discipline result and the result of academic discipline of grade 3 student. Non-academic discipline refers to behavior and order in daily life, including the roles, responsibility, ethics, and social norms. Meanwhile, academic discipline refers to student compliance with academic responsibility, such as completing assessment, following class schedule, and studying diligently. Next, result and discussion. The student questionnaire provide two indicators of discipline, academic and non-academic discipline, and virtual media interactive. Next, grade 1, number on non-academic discipline attitude assessment of grade 3 student. Based on grade 1, the green X shown the undisciplined category, while the blue axis show the disciplined category. Next, number 1, undisciplined dress and discovery ceremonies. 6 students were not disciplined in dressing for the ceremony due to lack of role model, family and neighborhood influence, and lack of supervision. This demotivates them to comply with the rules. Students who are not in full employment need to be sanctioned. Number 2, skipping school and arriving late. Truancy factor include discomfort in class, dislike of teacher and laziness, but are rare thanks to parenting and teacher supervision. Another common offense is tardiness, which is caused by the distance from home to school and low motivation to learn. Number 3, disrespecting disrespecting teacher and friends. Some studies show indiscipline such as spitting and disrespecting friends caused by conflict, teaching, lack of emotional control, and competition. In addition, there are students who lack respect for teacher due to low learning concentration. According to Wendy et al., inappropriate teacher voice can dispute student concentration, create a less than optimal learning atmosphere, and reduce student attention to learning. Next, number 4, littering and failure to maintain school facility. The top two offenses were littering and damaging school facility. Of the 16 students, 10 chose to litter, although student A and I admitted that K really did so due to a lack of understanding about cleanliness and supervision. Such by this habit of often report even though it has been recommended. Meanwhile, 5 studying the next school facility was the school learning confront. Therefore, it's important to raise awareness on cleanliness and maintenance of school facility. Next, grade 2 assessment of academic discipline attitude for grade 3 school. In figure 2, 3 are to ask red undisciplined category and blue discipline category. The academic discipline score of the 3 students are analysis of the basic on these two aspects. Number 1, learning discipline. The survey showed that 11 students were undisciplined because they did not bring complete stationery supplies such as rules, pencil, and pen and eraser. Based on interview, their results were forgetting or lack of equipment. Bringing complete equipment is part of discipline to create a conducive learning environment so that students can concentrate without having to borrow tools that are at risk being lost or forgetting to return. Number 2, discipline in following class and group rules. For students were led with their assessment and seated because we forget, did not understand the material, and were lazy. Contributing factor to sitting in lack of teacher supervision and lack of confidence. Some students were unfocused due to boredom, playing, or chatting. Boredom is caused by a lack of motivation and the use of interesting learning media. This suggests the need of innovative approaches to increase student interaction in learning. Next, use of Wordwall interactive media. Media Wordwall. Wordwall is an interactive learning platform that provides various game features, such as quiz, matching, anagram, and word search to make learning more interesting with 18 free templates. Wordwall allows teachers to present solutions in a game format that increase student engagement. Next, use of Wordwall interactive media. Number one, open the book. The research treat 10 questions about right and obligation which students work on in grade using the Wordwall game. The process was carried out in hands and discipline according to the instruction of the teacher and research. Student affective attitude were assessed during the activity with high intuition. Thanks to Kwan learning methods under the guidance of the teacher and research, students were disciplined and following the rule of the game. Number two, word search. The word search template is an interactive game that asks students to find hidden words in random set and letter. In the question, there are 7 words related to Pancasila that need to be found as students to be more talk. This feature is beneficial for strengthening vocabulary, improving concentration, managing time, and creating discipline. Next, match up. Template match up is an interactive feature that allows students to match two bits of information, such as a word with a picture or a question with an answer. For example, students match a picture of a worship activity with the statement discipline and worship where the time is. This feature increases active participant in studying in internet learning home talent. Number 4, anagram. The Wordwall anagram template is an interactive feature that helps students improve their language skill in a fun way. Students are asked to arrange random letters into correct words, which assume characteristics, critical thinking patterns, and preserve this activity as developing students. Next, the use of global interactive media on grade students saw positive results, with students being enthusiastic, assistive, and disciplined during learning. What proved to be effective in supporting Pancasila education learning, which is important for student character building. The research also reports that virtual makes learning more effective, fun, and improve studying, motivation, discipline, and vocabulary. In addition, virtual also has a positive impact on student reading fluency. Conclusion. Based on the data analysis, it was found that some year 3 students were still displaying undisciplined behavior, both academic and non-academic. For example, for students admitted to cheating because they did not study and lacked confidence. However, the majority of students showed discipline, such as strict 13 and 16 students who did not skip class and respect teacher while learning. The virtual interactive media has been proven to be effective in increasing student learning in motivation and discipline in Pancasila education. Learning becomes more interactive, fun, and meaning as many 80% of the students were satisfied with the use of virtual, while the remaining 20% were not. Teachers also gave positive response, believing that virtual helps to instill the value of this discipline, motivative studying, and becomes as a useful learning innovation, especially for lower grade students who are still minimally familiar with technology. Documentation. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.